Hello my dear friends, welcome to Theory of Computation lecture series. In this video, we are going to see derivation, then types of derivation and some example of deriving a string from the given grammar. A derivation tree or a parse tree is an ordered rooted tree. My dear friends, you have to focus on this. It is ordered rooted tree. So this tree is a rooted tree. That means there is a root and it is ordered. So if you traverse this tree in some particular order, you will get some output that graphically represent the semantic information of a string derived from the grammar. So it represents the semantic information. So if you access all the leaf nodes of this tree, then you will get the string that we are trying to derive from the grammar. It follows the precedency of the operator. The deepest subtree is traversed first. That means if we are having some operators in the grammar and we are trying to derive a string which contains those operators, then it follows the precedency. That means the operator which is at the deepest level will be traversed first. So the operators in the parent node has less precedence over the operator in the subtree. Okay, as said that the parent node, if there is an operator at the parent node, then it has a less precedence than the operator in the subtree or in the deep part. Let us see the type of derivation tree. Basically, there are two types of derivation tree, leftmost derivation tree and rightmost derivation tree. Now, what are this derivation tree? The way in which derivation is performed. Okay, so leftmost and rightmost derivation is nothing but the derivation is performed in a particular way for a given string defines whether the derivation is leftmost or rightmost. Okay, so it is the way in which we perform the derivation determines that whether the derivation is leftmost or the rightmost derivation. Let us understand this with an example. So here is this grammar given which says there are the production rules. S tends to AB, A tends to 0 AB or 0 and B tends to 1 BA or 1. So there are in all 5 production rules. S tends to AB, A tends to 0 AB or A tends to 0 or B tends to 1 AB or B tends to 1. So in all there are 5 production rules and we are trying to derive the string W001110. Now this is a derivation tree for the given string. So if you see all the leaf nodes, that is this 0, this 0, 1, 1, 1 and 0. So if we look at this leaf nodes, the string is generated 001110 and this is the string that we are intended in generating. Now my dear friends, what is the leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation? Now in deriving this, so let's say I start with the starting state S and from S there is this production S tends to AB. Now in leftmost derivation, one has to explore this, the leftmost non-terminal first. Okay, my dear friends, one has to explore this leftmost non-terminal first. So here this A will be explored and the production will be used as A tends to 0 AB. A tends to 0 AB. Now again, since we are doing the leftmost derivation, so this A needs to be explored first. So here this A should give me 0 to derive this string because I have received the first 0. So this should give me this 0. And then this B. So here this B, there are two possibilities. B tends to 1 BA or 1. So if I go with 1 BA, that means I will get 1 which is required. I will get B which can be ended up with 1 which is required. But the next is 0 which next is A which will have 0. So what I will have is 0, 0, 1, 1 and 0. But that is not the string that we are deriving. So what I have to use is B tends to 1. Now here we have to explore this. So it is B tends to 1. If I go, then this string will end and we will have 0, 0, 1, 1. But we want is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So here it is 1. Then this B and then this A. So this one is this fourth letter that we have achieved. Then this B should be ended up with 1. And then this A should be 0. So hence we have received our required string. Okay, so the order in which the nodes are explored is this is explored first, then the leftmost derivation, this is 2, then this is 3, this is 4, then 5, 6 and 7. So this is the order in which the tree was built, and this is the leftmost derivation. Now let us look at the rightmost derivation. So S tends to AB. Then in rightmost derivation, we have to explore this B first. So here, if I do this, then this A can give me 0, but this B can give me 1 BA and 1. So if I take it 1, then the string will end with 1, but I want 0. So I have to take it 1, B and A. Now if I go ahead, I have to explore this A first. Now in exploring this A, I can go with 0AB or 0. Now if I go with 0AB, then here I will have 0, then here I will have 0, then A and B. But what will happen is B will end with 1. So I have to take the first production rule, that is A tends to 0. And similarly completing this, okay my dear friends, so this S is explored first, but then we have explored this B, while in the case of leftmost derivation we have explored this A. Hence, so this is rightmost derivation and leftmost derivation. So here we need to note that if we have a grammar which is unambiguous grammar, whether you perform the leftmost derivation or rightmost derivation, the tree that we will get is same in either cases. For an unambiguous grammar, you will have the same tree if we perform the leftmost or rightmost derivation. I hope this is very much clear, my dear friends. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we are going to see the grammar which is left linear and right linear grammar, and also understand what is the use of them. So thank you for watching this video, my dear friends. Stay tuned for more videos on Theory of Computation lecture series.